abusia sesia de Ghana for de omo agye ntokwa no mu eye chese US Israel ene Iran for entokwa no na ene say it konum na Israel for extract Ghana yen military base and I said yen battalion headquarters e wo Lebanon abusia. After that, you know, now get him second afford the eja, ye near nunti, baby sakoso, ye be din, atra ye baby said the bear, young cojaje yano, Emma yano, and jepa. I was young. Me no kasi, ye be a jim to quenimuna, and said, young co ready the air quay, and it's so far, the Ghana bank ashas, the area no kuna a who said, ya boy, you once ye, on said the boy, where cause officer ya until said, or but young boy back on ever was soon, and I be say, Yagro, what I said, I did go above you say a movie. The thing I said, I bang, I yet said, you can say Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Or more Alanchi protest, or more logic protest. Editia Sadia no protest, not just say, or money is there for only a day. What I say, yes, acquire to my maintenance pamcho, young shay, young corridi, dear etia, any dear room, any so far, dear Foreign Affairs Minister, what they about sorry sagrada abaso, dear Foreign Affairs Minister, what they ababusian, what they edge Saman soon ye. Absam. Yenkan embomwe de tie na otimu se sofa Ghana ya boa ye ho ankasa pa ya boa ye ho anya asem keto na woni me pam chew before you be read this idea we no ku yeni kan read we embra yen read de Donald Trump wo kan wo khasei e de akire UK fo se nya agro na ekoso Ghana for the fee say ya agro no Donald Trump ekire mu a the United Kingdom, our once great ally, may be the greatest of them all, is finally giving serious thought to sending 2 aircraft carriers to the Middle East. That's okay. Prime Minister Stammer, we don't need them any longer. But we will remember, we don't need people that join wars after we have already won. Abusian President Donald J. Trump and which remwa eye UK for ntokwano omokun duru be day 3 day 4 no in the US for requests and compensate omo eje UK for omo military base bi ade strike eye Iran UK for ama omokwan ama omonyu so say military base and I just Donald Trump etimi afa kwambia so bombo Iran foi akunkunkunkum omumpanimfo asese omo pesa we dey wo sese na se wa se ya wie no ena UK for pesa omo beboa no ena o se masa me kwase asem me mo asem me jimisem wa meboa me na so ma komntokwa adimi nkunim awia enye madi nkunim awie no ena wo bejimijimi ho ebe yo ho said you be dey wo beboa me forcing for me so ko na wo de odi ayeme no me so mekai wo wa bra wo so hia me what I say we you Donald Trump na wo ye dey wo kasa no wo nye kunfuo won je semodie ni bi abusia yen koka yen koka de yen so ya ba bontin na yen hwe de etumi aye dey ewom na sesia de Ghana na ye fi se eye Ghana wo munia akonde eni anwode no sesia de abusia emu aye din. The thing you say, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Eddie Abba said, Yankan, or say government of Ghana formally launched protests to UN Secretary General following condemnable attack on Ghanaian UNIFIL soldiers, that is UNIFIL soldiers, and demands full immediate impartial and transparent investigations according to Ghana no immediate striking a course no immediate answer Ghana for you mama Ghana enye Ghana busia mo fi say week Ghana na wo bokofo nko akora no bokofo de ekoso okono sento kwanisi se honum na ye military base you ndokwasi na ye jawo mo so mo go UK bi beka What I say, into ye ma womu immediately or make you the intia also mudis and quasia samano. Me pamcha yen kanye na vu dear if you will to a cremobetu. Accra 7th March 2026. The Minister for Foreign Affairs, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, on behalf of the government of the Republic of Ghana, formally lodged a protest with the United Nations following the attack on the Ghanaian battalion 7 with the United Nations interim force in Lebanon, in southern Lebanon on 6 March 2026, which left 2 Ghanaian soldiers seriously injured. In the March 6, 2026, protest addressed to the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, the government of Ghana has called for a full, immediate, impartial and transparent investigation into the circumstances surrounding the attack on personnel deployed in the service of international peace and security. According to Ghana and Ghana Penny Omodi Assembly Akoma UN, United Nations Penny say mercy. Na se womo afa accountability ama yen kan de besi. Ghana strongly condemns this attack and has further demanded that those responsible be identified and held accountable as the attack constitutes a grave violation of international law, amount to war crime and affront the protection and affront protections afforded to United Nations peacekeeping personnel. According to Ghana Forum, say womo amesho yes ade na wahu the besino enya sam ketua what you say. Yes, omo condemn sadi say nipa bia woto sa bombo no omo say United Nations for enyi sa nipa nimpi na so munyi ni pia minim de Ghana for the beye no what you say. When we know omo anto anko residential area omo to ko soldier for camp soldier for there yenim say they are already soldier ni bi agina ko ano say we want to come say we need to come we gina ko ano and we know mato akọ mo battalion there ndien and mo abombo mo what I say nti Ghana for say yen kire wo mu say eye Iran say eye Israel say eye US eno mudi san kwase asem no omo nkire yen Ghana for ne so ye be kire wo mo say nuclear bombs omo de omo prese omo ma Iran for nye bi no ya wo baburu dancing e wo ha na say she so pass okura na wo say ano US president ya wo jimi ya fra Antoine e dia boni dua say Antoine ya mankum UA wait na menji nsuo mu ni no me wan you Antoine ya ma wan nsuo bi e daga na mo jini di se wa be no me o mu nyina e jimi mame what I say wo de Antoine ma say wo di bodua bi e serious enya adwuma what I say tell me anyafo na chese enso we mu nyina tisi wo mu because anti sa anka do na tana mu be kunyanya samo se mo aben nuclear bomb de nuclear bomb nuclear bomb enya hwe anka we wo frɛ Antoine Nokoko hwan ni yasi nso bi di abochirewa okike o mu nyina bomu a na anka busia wo je bibia na ka di bum e wo US but kotrahwe omba be so nso no nyina ko afi baby omo dada what I say I'm a chese nso na hwe abusia enti yenko kanyen de eko ne de yeden e wo nom na sesi ade enya asem ketua enti wo mo echiremu a the government of Ghana has further urged the United Nations to take all necessary measures to ensure the safety and security of members of the Ghanaian contingent serving with UNIFIL. Yes, as well as all personnel serving under the mission who at great personal risk make daily sacrifices in the service of humanity. The government of Ghana assures our gallant soldiers that no effort shall be spared in pursuing justice and guaranteeing enhanced protection. And yes, to say the amount for Elsma measures, Diako Iran. So Akoba say, Israel for any two sabombu ya. Ubetima small ebiako, we they say your problem ya. Our thoughts and prayers are with the injured and their loved ones. Ghana reaffirms its unwavering and long-standing commitment to United Nations peacekeeping operations and underscores that the safety and protection of peacekeeping personnel must remain paramount in the collective effort to maintain international peace and security. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs will continue to monitor development closely and remain engaged with the relevant United Nations authorities on the matter. Matter me kopepa me tuaba meba wania wi logo sporta iye emye na chese busia de aya na ayo sisi ade em say yen so ya bombs ni because wo hwe krata ya mo de aba bontinya ye nya bombs ni bi aka menyin ni so mo de sa krata beba subscribe na me fa wo nc ahasi ye